Oh no! My best friend! What happened to you? I'm dead. Why? Why? Burn out. Oh! Oh no! How could this happen? They just put too much current to my little tiny LEDs, and one of them failed. Oh! This is cruel! Why? So I shine brighter and be cheaper. Oh! This is greedy! Yes, and I have to suffer from excessive heat. And then, pop, one of my little chip babies died. Oh no! But there is hope! Oh, there is hope, trust me. You're not incandescent. Oh, you can be fixed, you are an electrical device. Yes, I am an electrical device. Yes, just like a toaster. Oh, thanks for the insult. Oh, sorry. Like a microwave. Or a flat screen TV. No, not like. At least it didn't say iPhone. Oh, come on, I help you. We get you to a doctor, and then we get you fixed up. Hello and welcome to SBC, SB Cinema. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a LED light bulb. First of all, we start with our patient, this one here. We screw it in and we turn it on. And there goes nothing. And always unscrew it while you work with it. Never touch it while it's in the socket. So, next is, we have to literally cut his throat. Just like this. And this opens it. Obviously, you have to go around a few more times. But you really wanna get with something semi-sharp, like this smartphone opening tool here. This is a very good one. With this smartphone opening tool here around in it. I did wrap it in paper because if you press on it hard, it's not very padded and you can cut yourself. What you're trying to achieve is you're trying to cut the silicone that glues this half to this half. And then after a while you're able to pry it off. You can obviously just go ahead and be cheap and just smash the plastic, because it doesn't have more purpose than to diffuse. So you could just cut along the plastic, fold it up and then just glue it back on, but that's not necessary. Yeah. Stay here, my friend, stay here. And then we're going to testing mode. Most of the time you can tell visually, because one of the chips will have turned dark. In this case it is this one here. It has a little black dot on it. If you can't tell visually, I have a link down in the description to how to safely test LED chips. Because there are some people building very dangerous contraptions that are very overcomplicated just to get the clicks. Well, watch my video, it's all you need. But now we do a little test. This sometimes works, sometimes not. We press hard against, but it is not plugged in. We press hard against the defective chip. Sometimes this makes it work for a short time. This is just a short time. This is not like one of those miracle TikTok hacks. It could cheat and make it look like this, but it is not. It may allow it to work for a few seconds. See? That's all. I could have cheated and told you this is the whole thing, But you have here the pop, and it burnt the thing up. So what we do now is we take a flat screwdriver and just remove the broken chip. It snaps up very easily, at least the top half of it. And now we have to scratch it up so the surface is roughed up, otherwise our solder won't stick. And please ignore the noise from outside. They have decided to tear up the whole street once again. The better you rough it up, the better it works. And once again, do never do this while it is plugged in. So, all we now have to do is we have to shorten this connection here. There have been videos online about someone using a graphite pencil to just draw a line on it. And yeah, graphite is electrically conductive, sorry, not connective. And this is why they claim this works. But let me now show you. It's the same thing like the other one. It works technically, but not for long, because it just burned up. And drawing the traces around it, like they did in the video, just on the circuit board, it's total BS. So this is turned into a debunking video. Yeah, let's clean this up again, and then I show you how to repair it properly. So yeah, still the same light bulb. This always feels wrong. Yeah, I have now cleaned up the part again, roughed it up, and now we just need a tiny drop of solder. I'm using a soldering device like this, but you can get the cheapest one out on AliExpress. Not sponsored. Take the cheapest one there is. Only thing I want to do is put a tiny blob of solder on here. It's always hard to do this one-handed. So we go the cheap way. I just put the solder onto the tip of the soldering iron, and then from the tip directly onto the chip. You gotta make sure it connects those two points, which it does, which it does now. So now let's screw it in and test it. So now let's get the base and the bulb, still the same bulb, and now, my friend, you're fine again. Yay! Let's screw him in. Let's screw him. Yeah. He's working again. And I did the same thing on him like I did on the other bulb. I just replaced the one light, one LED with a little blob of solder. See? Yay! Now I'm happy again. Like and subscribe if you like this. Like and subscribe if you like to feel like new. And save a lot of money, cause he has never bought an LED bulb in the last 5 years. And you don't have to worry about them cascading to the next one and to the next one, because they are voltage regulated. This means they won't get more power than they did before. The chip controls it. Yeah, nice, isn't it? But sometimes it doesn't work. That's something I have to tell you. Sometimes it just does not work. Then simply the next LED will fail. That means there was something wrong in the circuitry. In this circumstance, you have to throw it away. Or take parts of it out, because this is electronic. You can recycle stuff.